The Ensemble is a set of wireless headphones and a 2-in-1 transmitter/charging dock that's designed specifically for TV watching. Here are a few quick tips and tricks on how to use the Ensemble for best results. Tip 1. The Ensemble is compatible with pretty much any TV on the market, Bluetooth enabled or not. If you're connecting to a smart TV though, it's best to deny your TV's request to connect directly to the Ensemble, since this will prevent the headphones from connecting to the transmitter. Tip 2. If your TV has an audio out optical port, which most TVs do, we recommend using it to connect the Ensemble transmitter to your TV for the best audio quality. Tip 3. If you do end up connecting via optical, make sure to change your TV's audio settings to optical out/digital out. Adjust your audio output format to PCM and turn Dolby off. If you're not hearing sound from the headphones, double check these audio settings or reach out to us for assistance. Tip 4. The Ensemble headphones can actually connect to other Bluetooth devices as well, like your phone or laptop. Just make sure to turn off the transmitter when you want to pair your headphones with another device. If you ever need any help with your Ensemble setup or product, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@avantree.com. We're here to help. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy your experience with the Ensemble.